Equipment's top-notch, staff is top-notch, the training's top-notch, and they will set you on a path to making a great, successful business. I'm Bryce Gilmore from Memphis, Tennessee, and we came here to start a new opportunity back in Memphis, curbing. I'm Steve Gilmore from Memphis, Tennessee, and yeah, we do landscaping of all types. Thought this would be a great ad.
Hi, my name is Brad Stowers from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Currently, I'm in the telecommunications field.
Gina Husser from Pittsburgh in marketing.
So Jose Cedillo with Tupelo Curbing and Landscape.
The marketing and sales training is top-notch. I've been in marketing for 20 years, and it's great to have a refresher, and everything that was taught during that first day really preps you for dealing with people, dealing with questions, asking for the sale. You know, the whole kit and caboodle was really helpful.
The marketing training was very eye-opening. You know, since we're in a market that doesn't have much competition, you know, maybe we could have, in our brains, we were going to be undercharging, so to speak. So it gave us an idea of where to quote jobs and how to make a profit.
Carl? Oh, he's great. He's always been very, very helpful. He's been entertaining, and he's been a great instructor.
As far as the hands-on training, you can't beat it. Carl's fantastic, you know, just to have him and his knowledge out there showing us every step of the way. I mean, I couldn't put a price tag on the training that we had this week. This has been fantastic. And looking forward to getting back out in the field on our own and doing it ourselves.
The training here at Lil Bubba was excellent. Not anything more than you needed to know, didn't overload you, it just gave you what you needed to succeed. And it was very hands-on, which is, you know, the best way I learned. So I'm really appreciative of that.
Being in Orlando is fantastic. The facility is great. It's all in one, everything. You got everything in-house. You got the marketing, you got the wraps, the trailers, where they make it here, and it's just been fantastic. Everything right on site. We really enjoy it.
The facility was awesome. It's cool to see the process in which our trailer, machines, and everything came together, and it's amazing operation. Yeah, everything built from scratch. To see the extra support put into the trailers and the stainless uppers is awesome. Well built.
The main difference that I saw was with the Moroccan, you don't have to be as precise, so it would be very easy to do on your own, very easy to teach somebody that works for you. So yeah, I thought that was great. Well, I'm the skeptic here. I came in very skeptical, very concerned. You know, it's a huge step for us, a big change in our lives, and after being here, I'm all in. I'm so impressed with the company. It's a well-oiled machine. You're given everything you need. The support is unbelievable. I'm really excited to get started and see what we can do.
It's a great staff. It's a great process. I can tell you, you guys teach the process start to finish. If you follow it, you will succeed.